Dude, this one shot.
Is it? Oh, whoa!
What the? Zach was driving.
Let me see that.
That is so
Let me
dangerous.
see that. Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? I'm Zach, and we are here in my garage, Zwing HQ. Got a project, my own E53 X5. This is a 2002 model. This is a DIY video installing some bushings. These ones in particular are from Problem Solving Bushings. This is a company based out of South Africa who wants to replace their crappy OEM X5 subframe bushings with more crappy stock ones. This is quite the upgrade, and they've even got a lifetime warranty on these. These are supposed to last for the lifetime of the vehicle. So I've been having tons of issues, which I'm sure if you're watching this video you can relate to. Every time I put my foot on the gas or the brake, I basically feel the entire rear subframe lurching forward or back. It's basically like the chassis and the subframe are separating every time. Really excited to get those replaced. It's really late right now. I'm just filming this intro bit here. I'll come back here in the morning and get finished on this. Get started on this. All right, before we do any work on this car, I need you guys to hear the reason why we are changing out the subframe bushings and everything else. All right, you're gonna be my cameraman.
All right. Is it the front or the middle at zoom?
All right, you ready? Yeah. Okay, Cobble Road, test 1. All right, test number 2. You ready? I'm gonna punch the gas and tell me what you hear.
Oh.
You guys hear this? Time to fix this crap. Take two 13mm nut soft to take this exhaust hanger down, and we can get access to what looks like a 19 or 21mm bolt that holds the subframe together. So we got a 1/2-inch drive extension and a 21mm. That's right in there. Alright, so we need to lower this subframe, and it looks like all we need to do is take out those 21mm bolts on both sides, and this will just come down. Alright, so you want to reach on the top of the subframe, and you're going to remove this thick metal washer. Dude, almost by hand, I think we'll be able to bring this down. Let's grab our drill. No way. What? Alright, so this is not the recommended way to do this. We got other things to do. We've made an incision in the outer bushing ring, and now just pull it out by hand. So, oh yeah, look at that, not even hardly a scuff. That's what we were basically working with. This was just holding on for dear life in between. I mean, it's horrible. And what we have to replace it with, I know it seems like it's going to be an intimidating job. You're like, oh, I wish I had a lift to do this, or whatever's holding you back from replacing the subframe bushings. What are you doing?
You have a lift. It's right there.
I have a lift, but I'm saying, even if I had jacks, okay, even if I had jacks and jack stands, which I do, but if that's all I had to do this job, honestly, like we started 5 minutes ago, it feels like, and we're already installing the new bushings. The really nice thing about the problem-solving bushings here is because they come in 2 pieces, you literally, you know, plop it in from the top and in from the bottom, whereas if you had a stock bushing that you're replacing it with, you would need a special tool. Problem-solving bushings actually gives you a bunch of grease packets, so you don't even need to scavenge for anything in your shop. So we're just gonna run this along the side here, and we'll spread it around with our finger. And they give you tons of these, so use liberally. Just, not that I need to say this, but you don't need to put any on the top.
Nothing like lube in the shaft.
Nothing like putting lube on the shaft. Alright, now before I install these, we're going to put the top one in first, but notice that these are actually different, the top and bottom. There is a recess in the bottom one where the center part goes deep inside, and versus the top one does not. You're good. Look at that. Right, pull out.
Pull out?
Oh, nice. That's how you do it. You want to make sure you torque these subframe bolts to 94 foot-pounds, like so. You want to give it a couple more clicks, just so we know that it was, yeah. Oh, now I feel better about it, okay. And now we're gonna do the other side.
Just making sure it's torqued down before I take it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'm glad you're doing that. Come on, Cole, faster than that. You're going so slow. Just kidding.
Dude, this one shot.
Is it that? Oh, whoa!
What the? Zach was driving.
Let me see that.
That is so
Let me see that. Oh my gosh.
We haven't even cut that yet.
Let's try the other side.
Oh.
No way.
The passenger side was not that bad.
Yo. Alright. We broke loose the sleeve. Sliced it a little bit.
A little scratch. All good.
Ah, cool. You fired. If you put these in the freezer, they slip right in because they shrink. Just like your balls when you go in a cold lake. Alright? Here you go. Here's some lube for you. Supposed to catch at least one of them. Butterfingers.
Give me a glove. Give me a glove.
You could maybe benefit from a new glove. Colt, you're gonna go back in the corner where you belong, and you get fed once a month as promised.
Damn.
Alright? I don't want to hear any more complaints out of you.
Ready for your examination?
No, I'm good. No thanks. But I'll lube that up for you. Nah, I don't feel like it. I don't have gloves on. Let's see him get in there with that lube. Oh yeah. Alright, rub it around with your fingers. Rub that around with your fingers. Oh man, you're getting me excited. Alright, going to lube up the bottom bushing and throw it up in there. Nice. Nice and easy. Yeah, so the top one, guys, is going to be a little bit more difficult. You're going to need to rely on a jack, most likely. But the sleeve should go right in. Don't forget the plate. Nice, all right. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the rear. And then when we have it in place, we'll jack up the subframe for both.
I'll be home at 10. We're literally bolting the last bolt on. You're on camera right now on YouTube, on the internets.
Hello, audience.
He told you he's gonna be home at 7 or 8?
Yes, he always says that.
He told me 10. Like this morning he said 10.
He always underestimates how long he'll be gone, and then he shows up at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Does that make you hurt?
Yeah.
Do you feel lonely when I'm hogging him from you?
I know that one day he'll make enough money to get me everything that I want.
So this is when...
All right. This is when you hit the red button. No! You did not just do that.
You gotta realize a gold digger when you see one.
What?
No, actually.
Cole, you're about to be a single man after this.
What's up? Because it was funny.
All right, we are officially done. And don't ever forget to torque your wheels down. Make sure you click each lug like 8 times so you know that it for sure is torqued. Hey, that was only 1 click.
That was a 3.
I want to hear 7 more.